Hi there, this is a HP RAID controller. It's a model P840i and it goes into the DL360 or 380 or maybe other models, and it has a pretty unique way to fail. It's a design problem with this plastic air cover here, and if someone or something pushes that down, it will crush the two capacitors 4056 and 4060. And if those two capacitors are gone, one of your 8 hard drives will be invisible. So it interrupts one of the 8 SAS lines. You can see it here, C40, 55 and 59, they are okay, so one of these symmetric SAS data lines is okay, and 40, 56 and 40, 60 are missing because of this stupid cover, and that SAS data line is broken. To fix the problem, I take two capacitors from another controller that has another problem that is totally broken, and I transplant them to the controller I want to fix. Then it's time to grind the plastic cover a little bit down, just to prevent that the same dump problem happens again. As you can see, there is now a little bit more room, just half a millimeter or so, between the plastic cover and the capacitors. And it's finally time to test the RAID controller in a server. All 8 drives are initializing, you can see the lights, that's a good sign. That's how it looked before the repair. You see disk number 2 is missing. And after the repair, disk number 2 is there, as it should be. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.